Hello and welcome to my HTML tutorial for beginners series. If you are new here, feel free to check out the complete course linked in the description below. In today's lesson, I will show you the aside tag. It is used for content that is aside of the main content. This means that while it relates to the main information, it is only indirectly part of it. A good example of an aside is a sidebar. Here you can see a website which has its main content on the left and also content on the right, which is wrapped into aside tags. While the information on the right, social media links and the links to other useful content, relates to the page in general, it has little to do with the blog post on name servers on the left. Other examples of what the aside could be used for are pull quotes, groups of navigational links, and anything else that is aside of the main content, even including ads. Let's implement an aside together. I have my code editor, Visual Studio Code, open, and I have already added the main content between the main tags. After it, I am going to add the aside tags. I wanted to include links to my social media profiles so visitors who enjoy the content can follow me. I will also add a border to the aside text so that we can see the area when we look at this page in the browser. The main tag also has one. If I save this and open the page, you can see the main content is followed by the aside. The aside, just like the main content, is a block element. This means it starts on a new line and takes up the complete width of the space available. The aside itself is not displayed in any special way by default. For it to be aligned to the side, you will need to use CSS. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. In the next episode of this course, I will show you the footer tag. If you are interested in web development tutorials, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a great day!